Today I'm doing the haircut of Miguel from Cobra Kai Season 3. I've been getting a lot of requests for his hair and also for Hawk. Yes, I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. It's a big monster job, but I will do it because it's a sick mohawk and you don't see anything like that. So I will do it at some point. But today we're doing Miguel, and follow along, then I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so let's break down the Miguel haircut. So what I did is I started on the sides and the back with a number 7 guard, which is a pretty long guard, and because his hair was not really that short, so I just wanted to use a number 7 guard, and then I raised it to a 7.5, and then went with a number 8 right through here, which is again a longer guard. But the goal of this was not to really create a super short haircut. It was really designed to look like something was a little more lived in. So I worked everything into the haircut by hand, doing scissor over comb, holding the hair out, following the head shape. So it's pretty short, nothing too short, but as you can see, we do have some normal kind of length. I'd say about 2 inches long the most in through this area. So it does go to about, I'd say, an inch or maybe 3/4 of an inch in through here. Same thing in through here, 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch, and then fades up naturally to where this is about, I'd say, 2 inches throughout the top here. And then it works into the very front to where this is the longest point. And as you see in the show, his hair always had more volume right in through here. So this is probably about, I'd say, 3 inches long, maybe the most. I blow dried it, and the key to the blow dry is you want to take the blow dryer with the nozzle, and that's why having a nozzle does help. And you want to just really blow the hair up off the head like this. It helps kind of give it some volume right in the front, and just direct that heat, right? And go back and forth. Not that you're singeing or burning the hair or damaging it, but what you're doing is you're just creating a good solid foundation and a nice base for the hairstyle. And then what I did is I went in and I used talc, which is my matte styling powder right here. That's literally perfect because for the most part, anytime you see his hair, it always looks like it's matte, right? It's got like a matte finish. And again, this isn't super short. It was actually in some of the, season 3, it was a little bit longer, I guess, because he hadn't obviously had a haircut and from whatever happened in the show. But I really like this. I like the fact that it's not like a super skin tight fade. It's a fairly normal haircut. It may be a bit long to some people, but it's very easy to style, and I think it came out awesome. I'm still currently watching season 3 of Cobra Kai. I think I'm on episode 9, so I can't wait. I think it's a great series, and I'm really having a lot of fun watching it. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this haircut. I think it looks pretty much like identical to Miguel's hair, but I'd love to know your feedback. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.